guys, so it is April 1st and me, Kiana, Curran, Jesse 101, Dylan, and my dad are all going to Knott's Berry Farm today. It's going to be a fun day and I haven't vlogged in a while, so I was like, oh, I should vlog. So let's do this. So we just picked up Jess. Say hi. Hi. Okay, so we just got Curran. Say hi.
Hi.
You're so shy.
We're gonna get some road trip food now. Yeah.
Okay, so we're going in the Dollar Tree to get some road trip food.
Wow, thanks, Dylan.
Yup. So we are getting some gas. We've been driving for about
There's like no clean version.
45 minutes, I believe.
Oh, my money fell out.
I almost didn't see it. So is there? Do you like my handwriting?
Oh my gosh. When the crap did you put that on?
Why did you do that? April Fools. Oh my gosh.
Okay, guys, so we just got here.
Oh my god. We did it last night.
Oh my god.
Oh, we did it this morning.
Oh,
I'm going on the pink one.
Hey, let's sit next to each other.
Yeah.
Yo,
I'm gonna do that. That's gonna be lit.
I know.
Okay, so we're waiting in line. Unfortunately, these three have to pee really bad, and we have to wait in the line. On the Silver Bullet. Hey, we just got off the ride, and oh my gosh, I'm so dizzy. We went in the back. Never go in the back on that ride because I'm so dizzy right now. It was fun, but I'm so dizzy. Kiana passed out on the roller coaster again. To go on this one. It looks scary, but it's not actually scary. Okay, so we just got off this ride, and so me and Jess went together, and we're like, oh yeah, we got this, we're fine. And then we get up there.
I couldn't breathe.
She couldn't breathe.
Passed out.
Yeah, because like when it went down, I didn't hear her screaming. I was like, is she dead? We're eating lunch now, and we're eating on the floor because there's no seats. This one, and I'm legit so scared. Like, I wasn't scared for the other ones, but this one, I'm so scared. Okay, so we just got off this huge ride, and when you first get on it, it's like, ooh, I don't know how to explain it, but it just goes super fast at the start, and it's like the best part. Oh, Kiana passed out 3 times, and then I started crying after because, I don't know, the wind like hit my face too hard, and I couldn't stop crying after, but now I'm good. And yeah, it was really fun. It was the funnest one, I think, so far. Okay, so we just got off of the Boomerang. It was a really long line, and we see a famous music player, and then Jess gonna go ask her for a picture, but she walked by her, and she's like, oh,
didn't do it.
Okay, Jess just got a selfie with the famous
let me
music
show it. Let me
player.
show it.
Okay, so we're leaving now, but we are going to go get lit somewhere and then get some caffeine and some food. And yeah, see what we're gonna do. Let's go.
How long do you take on each shower?
Okay, so now we're going to Chick-fil-A. So the lady came over and she's all like, in order for Jess, she looked at her.
Just for doing that, I'm taking one of your fries. Me too.
Hey, I ain't taking no bus, homie. I ain't doing that, no.
You fell asleep in my car ride, your love all time. But that's okay, I'll just avoid